Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we've got all of the indices in the green out here. The Dow's up 93 points. That's about 0.4% to the upside. Nearly 1% to the upside for the S&P. Up 30 points. The NASDAQ 100 is up a full 1%, 105 points. Russell is up 1.5%. Semis are up 1 3/4%. So everything is green. The spot volatility index trading lower, down 86 cents, well below its 50-day exponential moving average out here. She's trading out at 24.58. Gold's up $8. Silver is up a penny. Light sweet crude 22 cents. Natural gas having a nice move today. It's up 6 cents, trading out at 186. So let's take a look at the S&P 500. What are we doing out here? Let's begin by understanding the market breadth out here for several different time frames. Here's your 30-minute time frame. What you're going to see is there are more constituents, more components inside the S&P 500 trading above the top of its 30-minute profile. That'd be a total of 182 versus 107 to the downside. So from a 30-minute standpoint, what you've got here, market breadth positive, which should be able to push the S&P 500 higher. Now, we've got to go see if there's some resistance, some patterns. We'll do that in a moment. While I've taken a look at the equity future contract here, if we take a look at the S&P 500, you'll see for its 60-minute, 240, daily, and weekly, everything is in the green speed dial area that tells us that the S&P is market breadth bullish for those timeframes. Okay, good. So we now understand market breadth. We know the spot volatility index is trading below its 50-day exponential moving average. You might say, why is that important? Well, this chart here tells you the entire story. Those green and yellow boxes out there represent when the spot volatility index is above or below the 50-day exponential moving average. Go do the work yourself, and then you will see the tool that Stevie just shared with you. With regard to the S&P 500, where is it likely headed to? Well, if we take a look at Stevie's green line, that's priced at 32.60, so that will become a target for the S&P cash. If we take a look at the ES Mini out here, its target will become the top of its daily profile, and that's up at 32.67. If we go take a look at a 30-minute time frame chart, we're looking here to see if there's any kind of a top or any kind of a signal. What we're going to see is that the ES Mini on its 30-minute basis did form a TD9 count top, but price closed over that high just as we were coming on the air at 1 o'clock. This is telling us that the ES Mini wants to target 32.71. That's its last breakdown level. So, folks, that's the S&P 500. But stay tuned. We'll go through all of the indices and anything that you'd like during the Trader's Edge show. But if you're off to start your Wednesday, have a wonderful one. And we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.